Hello everyone. Today we're digging through the storage room to see if we can find anything interesting. And look at this, a broken electric stove. Got any ideas for it? Well, I'm turning it into a little multi-purpose cooker. Let's jump right in. First thing I'm gonna do is take off the bottom cover. The screws are super rusty, so I had to cut a little groove in them just so I could twist them out. Once I got it open, I checked the circuitry to see if anything was fried. Luckily, everything still works. I cleaned the inside so it's nice and tidy. I took off the top cover and the handle. Then I marked the area I needed, cut off the extra pieces, and sanded the edges so it's safe to use and looks cleaner. With the body done, I put the handle back on. Next up, the wiring and power. I sanded the contact points to get rid of the rust and make sure the electricity flows better. Then I hooked the power cord straight to the board and soldered everything in place. After that, I put the base back on. And boom, our project is done. All right, let's see what this thing can do. Water boils super fast. I can cook with it. I can even use it to boil food. Honestly, this little cooker is pretty awesome. What do you guys think about this little multi-purpose cooker? Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel.